Hey guys, so these are my mains and goals, and I'm going to my first comp at April 29, 2018 at Lucena Speedcubing Open 2018, April 29, 2018, and if you're gonna go there, you're probably gonna see me. And by the way, it's Sunday, but in April 21, so yeah, we still have classes until May, but it's Sunday, so I cannot compete. But it only has 3x3, 2x2, 4x4, one hand, and pure minks, so I'm only gonna compete on all of those events except for one hand. But here are some of my mains here. So my 2x2 main is this Guanpo. I looped it with Vitras because it was pretty slow, and I added this. My 3x3 main is the Gainer SM. I recently looped it with Gan standard loop. My 4x4 main, I don't actually know the name of this 4x4, but if you know the name, I'll just get a piece. Yeah, that focus. Yeah, if you know if you know mechanisms really well, yeah, I think you might, yeah. If you know what cube this is, please leave that in the comment section below. There we go, finally. And got this YJ train. Not that fast at 5x5, but still have 5x5. For Mega Minx, it's just a YJ Mega Minx. Got from New Year. I don't know what it's called, but it's from OU. We got this kind of Guanlong Square 1. Still don't know the parody. Oh god. But I could solve Square 1 easily. Dang it. Oh, come on. It's scrambled. And for Pyraminx, I have the Moyu Pyraminx. Moyu Magnetic. Stickerless. Yeah, this thing never pops. So those are my mains, and my goals is 2x2. I hope to get sub 6. And 3x3, I hope I get 17s, 16s, or even 15s. That would be good. 4x4, 1 minute and 30, and I'm not competing in there. And for Pyraminx, I would like 9 seconds and below. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.